Abuse VQ, stay locked in.
Doing some real quick light work. I'm about to just swap the spark plugs and the PCV valve. That's my tune-up for me. I should be good. I'm thinking for me, my leak, as I'm looking at the valve cover and everything, I'm thinking my leak might be my old PCV valve. Ever since I changed everything and tightened everything up, that's the only thing I really haven't changed. I've checked all my hoses, I've checked my exhaust. My exhaust has no leaks. My intake, there's no leaks, there's no holes. All the hoses on that are good. So, fingers crossed. Change the PCV valve, do a light tune up, change the spark plugs. Okay, cool, buddy. Let's get it. Alright, team, right quick. So, these is the front, these is the rear. I did these already. See, these shits is shot too. Get these checked out. That's the old one. You can see that joint done. So these are all the 6 old spark plugs out of my joint. Last 3 new ones. Here's a part number if y'all was looking to pick these up. Again, if you did the HR swap, you know what I'm saying, and you got that 2016 and up engine, these are spark plugs. I'm going for Ruthenium HX. Yeah. Let's try with that right quick. So, I already did the rear, put everything back for the most part. About to do the front. Got my MSD ignition coils. You already know, babe. I'm stoked. Swap the PCV valve, so it's a fresh one on there. I mean, my old one didn't sound bad, but it didn't sound like it had that same travel. So we'll see. Hopefully that's it. We can plug everything up and we should be running smooth, team. Let's get it going. Yeah, team. You can see clearly shit is done. Done. So y'all already know there's definitely time for a change. This is the Iridiums. Rutheniums. I'm sorry. What we got? Rutheniums. Yeah. Let's go. Definitely time for the swap. So let's drop it in. Let's do what we do. And let's make some magic happen, team. Let's lock in. We're shaking, team. Just wanted to show y'all I found the cause of where this joint is looking bananas. You see that in the back? My short-term field trim 1 up here, right there at the bottom. And then my short-term field trim 2, you see both of those at 25% down there. So now what I'm finding is I have a leak at my gasket for my headers. Let me get you under here. So now if I bring this way, right? Let me get you some light. So now if I come over here, I gotta fix this, what's his name, leak to change the hose. But if we're looking at that, right? You see where it's at? 25. But now if I spray some penetrate right here where the gasket is, I don't know if y'all can see that. See how that goes down? So now let me give it a nice spray and show y'all what I'm talking about, right? So I'm gonna put it there, I'm gonna show y'all the numbers there. See that? Numbers damn near go exactly where they're supposed to, and I see the other numbers follow that as well. So this one leak right here, that's what's leaking. My gasket right in there. If I spray in there, the whole thing changed. Yeah, I dropped that whole joint down. Everything seems to go down. Down. I see a difference when I do that, so that's letting me know. That's where the leak is at. Yep. Let's get it. Team, just wanted to get in here and give y'all that while I was down here before I forget. So this is how I fixed my joint. I used this right here, had a collector gasket. This right here, perfect. This is a different type of gasket. It's not that paper thin type. Like, this shit feel like it got metal on the inside to mesh. So use that, and then just to make sure we were good, Booyah gasket maker, red. Let me see if I can't pull it up for y'all right there. Boom. Booyah. A little messy, but you got the gist. I was not fucking around. So we got that in there. We looking really good. I'm gonna give it probably like 3-4 hours just to set and cure, or maybe 6 hours just to be on the safe side. I probably don't have to wait that long, but I just want to make sure we good. You know what I mean? We got it on all angles, all around the gasket. We lit. Let's go. Yeah, team. I'm gonna let y'all listen. Y'all tell me how it sound. Sounded real healthy to me. Everything is looking decent. I'll take that. Take that from shit at 25 to shit down to where it roughly should be. I take that. Let's go. Let's go. O2 sensors is all functioning properly. Yeah, this is gonna be a great drive home. You already know, hella footage coming through. Let's go. I'm rich, bitch. Looking good. It's holding perfect. Like I said, everything looking good on the scan tool. Be righteous. Be righteously so. Let's go. That's what we want. We want it holding steady, not the joint jumping, dipping, anything like that. Definitely found the vacuum leak. That was the last code that was plaguing my shit for I don't know how long, squad. But I'm glad I was able to make some good leverage. I'm glad I was able to use my fuel trims to point me in the direction right along with the check engine code I had. The check engine code I had after I cleaned the O2 sensor connectors, the upstream joints, the front and the rear, I cleaned the connectors. And then from cleaning those connectors, I went on the bottom and actually got those two sensors out. Where we at? Right over here. Use that mass airflow sensor cleaner. Cleaned that. Cleaned the mass airflow sensor as well. Why not? It was in a cleaning mood. Swapped those joints. But it wasn't until I started using the fuel trims and was just spraying around that I found my problem. So when they say you get that P0171, that can be one of a few things, but for me, it was a really bad vacuum leak that was at the rear lower header gasket. So thank goodness it wasn't the main joint, so where I would have had to rip that whole joint down and get to that gasket. Thank goodness. You know what I mean? Praise be to Jah. I appreciate that, babe. Making my road to Zion hella easy right now. So I'm wavy, team. Keep it a buck with y'all. We running good. It's sounding good. I want to give y'all some authentic pulls. Load up this GoPro. You sounding good. I don't got no check engine. I don't hear the joint stumbling whatsoever. The engine is sounding really healthy. So I'm definitely about to switch gears and see what's shaking. But in doing all of that, tightening up everything, tightening up my O2 sensor extenders, that might have helped as well, just to eliminate the code. And everything is wavy, baby. You already know, it's your boy Sir V, aka that OG. Like, share, comment, hit that subscribe button, team. We in here. It's gonna be hella comment. Put them notifications on, baby. You don't want to miss what's coming through.
I got a few of my heads even on Instagram talking about they ready to see me line up. Even a few people here on the tube, they talking about they ready to see your boy line up. Yeah, now shit could be official. We don't got no underlying issues. There's no symptoms. There's nothing holding us back. We can have a whole hell of a lot of fun now, baby. You already know the deal, team. Lock in. Views VQ.